we've noticed as we evaluate all the marketing that they've done in the past and we scrub it, the biggest mistake that dentists make in terms of their website is that it does not have unique content. It doesn't have unique content. Google penalizes you. It's like you go in the penalty box. We're in hockey season right now, Naren, kind of hockey season, and you're keen on hockey being up there in Canada. And what happens when what happens when a player gets put in the penalty box?
I don't think they're happy.
It's not good.
It's not good. Exactly. Yeah.
And so Google puts your website in the penalty box when you have duplicate content.
Yeah. It's like one of the no-nos. It's like there are certain things they encourage you to do, and there's certain things, if you do it, you go on into what I call the virtual jail, the Google jail. So once you're in the Google jail, it doesn't matter how hard you try, how hard you work, you're not going to be being seen.
You're not going to show up in a search when someone's searching for a dentist in your community if you're in Google jail.
Just to put things in perspective.
A sad part, Naren, most dentists have no idea that their website has duplicate content. And now, if you're thinking, what do you mean? Most dentists have no idea because they didn't write their website. A marketing company wrote their website, and maybe they said, and doctor, we will give you an exclusive in your area, your zip code. We won't sign up any other dentists in your zip code or your area, maybe, however they do it. So now you think I'm good. But in fact, that website that you have, it is all over the internet in hundreds of other dental offices' websites. And now you're all getting penalized because you have duplicate content.
Yeah, a couple of other points I want to make is, you said this, Gary. I think your friend Howard used to say, in those days, put up your dental office, in a mall or where there's a lot of foot traffic, right? A lot of traffic.
And Dental Town founder was very strongly convicted that when you're looking for where to put your dental office, you want to put it on a busy street that has tens of thousands of cars driving by every day so they could see your sign. That was something, and Howard even said, make sure that your sign that you have in your dental office, for your dental office, make sure it's lit at night. So when people are driving by, you're not open or anything, but when they drive by, they can see your sign. Now that was, by the way, I never fully subscribed to that approach. That concept, but that was something that Howard taught for many years. Go ahead and take it from there, Naren.
Yeah. So today it's different, right? For example, we were looking at your latest report from February. You were seen around 97,000 times, and it was for around 490 different keywords. So think of it like this: 97,000 people who are looking for a dentist, and they're not looking for dentist Phoenix, but they're looking for veneers, zip code, veneer street name, best, sedation dentist in town, all kinds of keywords. And in your case, a total of 3,000. And out of that 485, you're doing extremely well in, meaning you're showing up on the first 10 results of Google for 485 of those search terms. Now, it's like 485 search terms are like 485 roads that are driving people to you, and total of 95,000.
Let's come back to the traffic analogy. Traffic is still important.
Yeah.
But it's not traffic in vehicles driving by your office looking at your sign. It's internet traffic visiting your website. So the traffic analogy is as important as ever, but it's not in the way we've always thought of traffic as, cars driving by your office. However, it's people virtually driving by your website and stopping. And so traffic's very, very important. But you're not going to get that traffic if you have duplicate content, because you're not going to be ranked. People aren't going to see you. It's literally like being listed in it's like in the old days, building your office on a backwater road that nobody knows where it is.
Right.
Nobody's ever going to see it. Thank you so much for watching this YouTube video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to click like. The full podcast episode link is below. Be sure to click that if you'd like to listen to the entire podcast episode. And most importantly, be sure to ring the bell to subscribe. That means every time we upload a new episode, you'll be the first to be notified. Thanks so much.